Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to send a thread through DMs in X. Sending a thread via direct messages allows you to share valuable content and engage in private conversations with specific individuals or groups. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. Look for the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Take a moment to navigate to the thread that you want to send through DMs. Step 2. Once you're in the thread, look for the share icon. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing out of a box or an icon with 3 dots. Tap on the share icon to reveal the sharing options. Among the available options, select Send via direct messages to proceed. Step 3. A list of your connected accounts will appear. Select the account or accounts to which you want to send the thread. You can choose from your list of followers, friends, or specific individuals. Tap on the desired accounts to send the post via direct messages. By following these simple steps, you can easily send a thread through DMs in X and engage in private conversations or share content with selected individuals or groups. Sending threads through DMs in X allows for personalized and focused interactions, fostering meaningful conversations and connections. Thank you for watching, and may your thread sharing experiences through DMs in X be seamless and engaging.